Before buying an RC drift car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options may look similar on the surface, but the real differences are hidden deeper, and they can make or break your drifting experience. Product number 1, a Aamzer high-speed drift car. First up is the Aamzer RC drift car. Priced at just $32.99, this little powerhouse caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive specs. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers excitement, this is worth a serious look. This 124 scale car can reach a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour, which is fantastic for indoor fun. The remote control works up to 50 meters away, giving you the freedom to drift around larger spaces. With a 4WD system and full proportional throttle, you'll find it easy to execute stunts like tail, flipping, and spinning. The cool thing is it comes with 2 batteries, allowing up to 50 minutes of driving time. That's almost an hour of non-stop drifting fun. Plus, it includes both drifting and racing tires, so you can customize your ride depending on the terrain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This versatility means you'll get more value out of the car, whether you're practicing your drifting skills or just having fun. Now, some people complained about the battery life being inconsistent. Here's the thing though, in my experience, if you keep the batteries charged and maintained, this isn't a deal breaker. Just be mindful of how you store and use them. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to get into drifting without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you're an advanced user looking for professional-grade performance. Honestly, for under $35, it offers great value. Now, if the battery issue worried you, this next one takes a different approach to performance. Product number 2, a Aamzer black drift car. Next is another offering from Aamzer, the black RC drift car, priced slightly higher at $35.99. What really stood out for me was its sleek black color and similar specs to the previous model. If you're into aesthetics as well as performance, this is certainly worth considering. Like its sibling, this 124 scale car can hit 20 kilometers per hour and operate from a distance of 50 meters. It's designed with the same 4WD system and proportional throttle, which means you can master those drifting techniques without frustration. The included headlights and taillights not only look cool, but also allow you to play at night. And with 2 different sets of tires, you can switch them out based on your needs, making it user-friendly for beginners and more experienced drivers alike. Some reviewers did mention that the remote control can be a bit finicky. But I'll be real with you. For the price and the fun factor, this is still a solid purchase. Just be patient while getting used to it, and you'll love it. This is perfect for you if you want something stylish that still performs well. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features or higher speeds. For the price, it's a great choice for any drifting enthusiast. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious drifting fans. Product number 3, a Aamzer blue drift car. The third pick is another Aamzer model, this time in a flashy S815 blue color and priced at $32.99. It shares many features with the previous models, but the color caught my eye immediately. If you want something that stands out visually, this could be your go-to. This car reaches the same 20 kilometers per hour and offers the same impressive remote control range. The 4WD system and full throttle control allow for those exciting drifting maneuvers, which is a must for any drifting enthusiast. And yes, you still get the 2 batteries, ensuring almost an hour of playtime. The interchangeable tires let you transition easily between drifting and racing modes, catering to your preference. One thing people pointed out is that the plastic build feels a bit cheap. But here's the thing, it's still durable enough for casual use, and at this price point, you can't expect a super premium feel. Just treat it with care, and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a visually striking car that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for something more robust or high-end. For the cost, it's a fantastic option for casual users. Now, if you're looking for something that packs a little more power, this next option is where it's at. Product number 4, MJX Hyper Go 14303. Next, we have the MJX Hyper Go 14303, which is a step up in the world of RC drift cars. Priced at $139.99, this model is for those serious about their racing. If you want a high-performance drift car that delivers speed and precision, this is definitely worth checking out. This 1/14 scale car can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. The inclusion of a gyroscope really enhances its drifting capabilities, allowing for better control at high speeds. The brushless motor provides more power and longevity, which means more fun without worrying about wear and tear. Plus, you get 3 tire sets to adapt to various terrains, whether you're racing on pavement or rougher surfaces. Here's why this matters for you. The precise handling and speed make it ideal for competitive environments or serious hobbyists. However, some users found it a bit difficult to control high speeds. Here's the thing though, this car is aimed more at experienced users. So if you take your time to learn the controls, you'll get the hang of it and love the experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take your drifting skills to a competitive level. Skip this one if you're just starting out or prefer a more budget-friendly option. The investment is worth it if you're passionate about RC racing. Now, if you'd like something that balances speed with a more casual approach, this next pick might be just right. Product number 5, Sakai 4WD Drift Car. Last on our list is the Sakai 1/16 scale 4WD Drift Car, priced at $39.99. This car caught my attention with its unique features and design. If you're looking for something that combines fun and functionality, this might just be your best bet. The Sakai model can hit a maximum speed of 18 kilometers per hour and features a durable shell that minimizes damage during crashes. It's equipped with both LED lights and a sprayer, which adds a cool visual element when you're driving. The car also includes 2 types of tires for drifting and racing, which is great for adjusting your experience on different surfaces. The additional battery life means you can enjoy nearly 40 minutes of racing fun, making it a great option for long play sessions. However, some reviewers mentioned that the sprayer feature could be a bit gimmicky and doesn't add much to the performance. But honestly, if you're just in it for the fun, it's a nice touch that makes the car more exciting. This is perfect for you if you want an engaging and fun RC car for casual use. Skip this one if you're seeking top-tier racing performance. It's a solid value for what you get. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for RC drift cars. From budget-friendly picks like the Aamzer models to the high-performance MJX Hyper Go and the fun-packed Sakai, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you can find your ideal drift car that suits your style and budget. Happy drifting!